All right, now we are live.
Now we are live.
Now we are live.
Great.
So you're gonna entertain. I'm gonna share the link in a couple of spots.
Okay,
So
okay.
now we are live.
So welcome back, everybody. Here from we are in Move Conference London 2024, 19-20 of June. So almost end of the first day. So we are very happy about the outcome of this first day. I think we received a lot of attention by many of the people, let's say, here around. Were many people stopping by, even if there was no planned meeting, let's say. So it was really nice to interact with let's say, diverse and wide audience. So I think also Fabrizio is pretty happy.
Yes, I'm very happy, very excited. Everything is going extremely well. Pietro and I actually drove from Turin, where we started about 9 days ago. We left Turin 9 days ago. We stopped by Paris, and then we drove all the way to London, where we arrived yesterday. And what we have done, we showcased the first ever AI-powered EV on a Fiat 500e, full electric, and we're able to showcase a couple of our products. In particular, one is EVI Intelligent Display Range Expert that helps the drivers and the EV users to remove the range anxiety, to have a very precise and very accurate understanding of the range remaining in an actual vehicle. And as well as we showcase EVI Fleet Analytics, a very powerful tool, cloud connected, in order to check out the state of health of the battery, the state of charge, remaining useful life, all the very relevant information for fleet operator and fleet managers, as well as every EV users as well. So very excited. The day one has been extremely busy, so we are very happy about that. Yeah. And but tell us, how was the journey? How was the trip?
Yeah.
Any feedback?
Journey was nice. Also, thanks to pilot Fabrizio, we had a good time, and we had to really try on our, let's say, infrastructure by the trip. Was as mentioned, the expert along the chance to, let's say, to schedule our routes, let's say, using our product, and we could see actually how the algorithm is the energy consumption, the learning is the driving style, and the performance, and because the way we could show serious performance to my customers, that was. How did you like the trip?
The trip was amazing. I mean, everything went smooth. We've done less charge than needed, thanks to the technology, the precision of the range remaining for every single charge. Able to plan properly and improve range and experience. So I think was software started to learn how I drive, where did you drive in the location I drove. So smart, extremely happy about the results so far. I think we've shown this. Maybe I'll show you brief. We're calling somebody else. You probably have seen this before, but let's walk them through.
Yeah. So here you can see actually a recording, because we are at the factory, so we cannot drive actively, but showcase basically our product range expert. So the driver out, we could see how we are able to predict what will be the state of charge at the destination, so with very high accuracy. And we showcase also the comparison with with a couple of our competitors, and we could demonstrate superior performance. So here is like we are driving a trip, so normal situation, we have state of charge of the vehicle and what would be the state of charge predicted at the end of the trip. So, and we keep updating over the trip, so it's provide user up-to-date information, even also the feedback from the vehicle. And yeah, So this is a range expert, but also what we are showcasing for this conference is Fleet Analytics. So it's our analytics product where we can monitor the metrics, state of full life, and also our index. What is the state basically of a fleet of vehicles or of batteries? So we are able to provide up-to-date insights for the different batteries. So we can see here just an example. We have a battery. We can see the state of health at this point in time. Like, so this battery is really healthy. So there's no risk connected to it. But also you can see how much time cycles the battery is gonna last before it reaches the end of life. And what is the industry is so is both analytics on what is happened, so the history of the system, as well as the projected future of what we expect to see. So they can get actually benefits related, let's say, especially they can and manage in a smarter way their assets, as well as predict, for example, maintenance, etc., etc. So yeah, I don't know if Fabrizio, if you want to add something to this.
Yeah, no, that was a great overview. I just wanted to show, in addition to the comparison of multiple battery systems, that you can understand which one performs better than others, so compared to or more. We actually showcase access to our ML models for the state of health, state of charge, state of power, remaining useful life, end of life. So all of these ML model access are able to provide like very accurate estimate of the battery health, and provide all the fleet operators, fleet managers, OEMs, and so on a full understanding of their battery health, and maximize the ROI in their fleet. So there is a big opportunity to deploy such a machine learning models, AI-based solution to so very excited about this. For very busy, and we are very happy here. So perhaps we can ask else to join us.
Yes. Giovanni, our director of marketing, if he wants to find Fabrizio in the vehicle, so he can also
let's
tell something from his perspective. So let me call him.
Great job, Peter.
Pleasure.
Great job. Now we are very happy about the outcome of the day one. It's been extremely busy. The morning was packed. We had back-to-back things, back demos, OEMs, tier 1 suppliers, fleet manufacturers. Hi, Giovanni. Ciao, Giovanni.
I'm fine, thank you.
Very well, excellent. We are able to make it. We have internet connection. So we are good, and I see people connect well. You're welcome to my one. But Giovanni, how was it at Move?
It was a very for us, like we have been and reviewing a lot of opportunity prospects. We've been very busy at the booth right now and all day long, and I think that also we had a very good impact in terms of visibility and of brand impact. And as Nisa said, we like the most beautiful, and so I think that's also and active. I think we a lot of not only pretty shining up and it's here, so please visit. Good. But I guess the real impact bring to fleet management, fleet also, but knowledge segments. You just need to, I think, things.
Our brain for abilities, the team is the industry and more like is a stationary store, eVTOL, and robotics application, and so any there is we can apply our brain on top of it. And it's a very major for the company, because that around the world demonstrating driving on public road on an not prototype on Fiat 500e fully electric. Install our technology embedded cloud. We have a full embedded system in the trunk and a full connectivity to AWS of our sponsor.
Yeah.
We have 3 if you want.
We have Stellantis. It's like, you know, very, very. Then we have for all the cloud connectivity and also for our algorithm and work results in that sense. And then we have Goodyear. Like also like a very important. So it's, you know, very, very world premiere, you know, but installed and deployed on a vehicle. I think this is worth things. Around move or around London. Not disappointed.
Or check out our website www.electricals.com.
Yeah.
Brand new, so check it out. It looks fantastic. Thank you, Giovanni.
Fabrizio.
Thank you. If you want to call Jennifer,
Yeah, let's see who's
up
like
to you.
available.
Very busy into people. We're gonna see who's gonna be next. Let's see other members. Yes. And Jennifer are debating with to come first. Be next. So our global head, Lavinia. Ciao.
Hi, ciao.
So we are live. We are live.
Hi, everybody. Ciao.
Great. It's the first day of the
The
movie
first
event.
day is crazy. It's simply crazy. It's so busy. I had even no time to eat, to drink, nothing. So many prospect customers coming to. So never saw such attraction.
People are very innovation, but also we already installed the technology on board in a vehicle at the edge, instead at the edge with cloud connectivity. So using such a in an app makes a big difference.
Yeah, we
So,
are the only ones coming to our.
traffic, so you have to work
So
with
that's follow-ups. The
Great.
event is busy.
Pietro was showing the 2 products here, of course, in these 2 products, but showed here in display Range Expert, VI. Which one have you seen is getting more traction or any
I
comments
say
there? Both of them?
All of them.
Okay. Okay.
Sometimes even from the same, because I think AI and machine learning making the difference. Is the flavor of all our solutions.
Right, right.
So there are more fleet operators at the event, so they are asking a lot about fleet analytics. But
That's great.
yes.
Absolutely. How easy is to the solution to the current, right? Did they express any comments about integration?
Yeah, definitely. Yes, they see how to integrate, especially because both are running in the cloud. EV/AI Flex is running exclusively in the cloud.
Right.
So integration is extremely easy and straightforward. For instance, we can provide either a UI or for operators with their own platform and interface. We integrate a very simple and easy API.
Okay.
So it's very straightforward.
Make it very easy for people to integrate. Okay. That's
Thank
great.
you.
Thank you very much.
Who's
So-
next?
Let's see. Maybe Jennifer. I just wanted to
Yes.
say I you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you very much. All right. Who is next? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? We are live. The Electra team, partner, clients. We have every investors and so on. So how do you
I feel good. It was an interesting journey, a lot of good meetings, really the fleet, more on the fleet analytics side.
Okay, okay, great.
So yeah, really interesting, and looking forward for tomorrow.
Exactly. Tomorrow is day 2. It's gonna be most likely the busiest day. But I wanted to share with you that you joined Pietro and I during the trip to visit a couple of clients. How was the reaction of those partners and clients? What did you experience?
Yeah, so for sure the results were very beyond our thoughts, because showing them the product directly, they were all very impressed. Much more different than when we just talked to them via Zoom and etc. They were very impressed to see the product, and the results were great as well. So we made a really good impression.
A lot of smiling faces, right?
And a lot of next that are already scheduled.
That's fantastic.
So,
That's fantastic. Okay, that's great. And question: are you getting more traction with product, both?
Yeah, so definitely today more traction on the fleet analytics, because we have actually seen less OEMs today. So it was mostly fleet operators. Mostly fleet operators. So definitely more the fleet analytics. It's good because we showed on the computer the traffic, because a lot of people, and so it helped with the traffic to have also another on the side.
Yeah, that was great, because we have done the live here during the trip from London, and we are doing now we are replay. This is a replay of a portion of the trip, of course, because we cannot. And then for fleet, we have both the in-vehicle demo and the outside demo. So
exactly.
If you're in London, you're welcome to hi and say hi. Booth 24.
Yeah, Booth 24.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you much.
Thank you,
Jennifer. Great job. And let's see if we have Dilip, so he can tell us about hardware.
Have a good day.
All right, let's see. Maybe I'll walk you through. Maybe a noise here. Let's see if Dilip, do you want to? Okay, let's maybe let's review the hardware side. It's gonna be very noisy. So
okay.
Very highly.
So here we have the Electra custom hardware that we put into the Fiat 500e. You see here, first we've got a CAN Edge device that listens to all of the signals in the car. Electra delivers a 360 degrees solution. So we collect all of the signals in the car, whether that's driving, whether that's temperature, whether that's GPS, etc., etc. We collect that and we run our AI machine learning models on this chip on the left here, which is an NXP IMX8. Within that, Electra has its ML models running on the edge, delivering the brain for the battery on the edge. And finally, we've got, for the purposes of this demo, a power management unit that ensures that every component within the car powers up and powers down properly.
Okay. Let's go in, because I guess here is gonna be a bit noisy, so you can tell us more inside the car. Oops, here we are. So I don't know how much we were able to hear, but I'm gonna ask you a few more questions about this. So you are telling us about the fact that we have embedded ML at the edge installed into one of the board there.
Yeah.
So tell us more about that.
So one of the significant competitive advantages for Electra compared to other companies is that we have implemented AI not just in the cloud but in the edge, and in our case the edge is the vehicle. So we are able to, in this demonstration, show how we have implemented AI in the edge, in the vehicle, where we are running ML models in the vehicle, and those ML models are helping with calculating estimated range with very high accuracy. It's only the AI technology that allows us to do that, so we have less than 1% error in the range, which is industry leading. often 10x better than any other solution that is in the market right now.
That's fantastic. And current solutions are based on physics-based. That we have seen that it doesn't always work, doesn't adapt to the driver, to the style, to the environment. Am I correct on this?
In some cases physics-based, in some cases even simpler, where they maybe use a very simple circuit model of the battery.
Oh wow.
We believe that those are all technologies from 10 years ago. Now, to get the best performance out of a battery, you cannot rely anymore on such simplified models.
Right.
So you need Electra's AI technology with all of the training data that comes with it and all of our expertise in implementing AI models in the edge in order to really get the full performance out of the battery that EVs deserve today.
Fantastic. So we were the first one to demonstrate a machine learning installed at the edge in actual production hardware and fully connected to the cloud with the ability to exchange data to the cloud, retrain the models in the neural network models, and download new models and inference as well at the edge. So a full system solution.
And, not just that, we also wanted to make sure that in doing so we don't create a very expensive solution. So we have optimized every piece of that.
Right.
So the software in the car is optimized for the minimal footprint in the electronics in the car. The telecommunications bandwidth to the cloud is optimized to the bare minimum needed for the solution, and the software running in the cloud is optimized for cost. So this is a solution that is ready to be deployed today.
Amazing. Are you happy with the Electra team, all the developers?
Loved it, loved the experience. This demo alone, we have been working as a team across the US, Europe, and other parts of the world. We've been working for 6 months, collecting data, developing the technology. We have here what I believe is the most compelling version of AI running in a car for batteries, and it's all kudos to the Electra team that has been developing this technology.
I agree. Amazing team, amazing team of visionaries and developers. Brilliant minds for sure. Okay, thank you very much, Dilip.
Thanks,
well
Fabrizio.
done, absolutely. I'm gonna show the car and then we end the live. So let me bring
everyone.
you outside. Thank you, Dilip. Thank you. All right. I know it might be noisy, but let's stay with me. So I'm gonna try to be loud, and so here is the car, how it looks like. We have done a great job. Thank you to our sponsor, Stellantis, Goodyear, and AWS, amazing sponsor. Again, we are demonstrating the first AI-powered brain for batteries, installed at the edge with full cloud connectivity, full retraining, first ever in the world. So we're very excited about this, and we also wanted to thank our, of course, list of investors that maybe it's gonna pop up somewhere there, or we also have it here. Let me showcase. Oh, here we are. Perfect. Here we are. So I want to thank all our partners and investors. They're gonna pop up shortly. The booth is amazing, great graphic and design for sure. So let's see, it's gonna pop up in a couple of we are. So thanks to these amazing companies believing in us: United Venture, Lifty, Club degli Investitori, BlackBerry, Stellantis, Massachusetts Clean Energy Center, Prithvi Venture, Launchpad Venture Group, Thai Boston Angel, that were able to help us out and make this happen. This is the summary of 7 years of work, 7 years of hard work and dedication with great, brilliant people. So very excited about this, and this is just the beginning. So stay tuned for more. Again, first ever AI-powered electric vehicles. So stay tuned. Tomorrow is gonna be day